Why do leaves change color? So let's do that, and let's talk about why these leaves change color. And to do that, we're going to bring the tree right up here into the studio. First, I always like to go back. Okay, so picture the summertime, right? This is what the tree looks like. You have the sunshine that's out. You got the beautiful sunlight rays that are shining in. It's that sunny day, and everything's green, especially if we've had a lot of water and things are healthy, right? Well, the reason that the trees are green is because of something called chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll is a green pigment that is inside of those leaves. And what it does is it actually captures the sunlight here, okay? And it turns the sunlight into food for the leaf and for the plant. It's basically the way that the tree and the plants create their own food. It's called photosynthesis. Okay, so we got the sunlight shining down on the trees, the chlorophyll, in fact, I'll get you a closer look here. We'll kind of bring this up. That chlorophyll is into the trees. I can kind of step into the shadowing of the trees here. Okay, now during the summer, with all the ample sunshine, the chlorophyll is constantly reproduced in these leaves here. So it's just continuous. So what you're seeing on the green leaves is the chlorophyll itself. You're really not seeing the color of the leaf. You're seeing the green pigment of the chlorophyll. So then what happens in the fall? Well, in the fall, with less sunlight, I'm going to get down a little bit lower here. In the fall, with less sunlight, the production of chlorophyll, which again is that pigment that is green, well, it starts slowing down, and then eventually it stops. And when the chlorophyll production stops, when it does, that green pigment that's there goes away. And then you see the actual color of the leaves. And that's what we were talking about. You kind of think the opposite, like, okay, well, the leaves are kind of dying and then you get the color. No, no, no. The color of the leaves here, it's always that color. You're just not seeing it because what you're seeing instead is the chlorophyll, which again is green and it captures the sunlight, creates photosynthesis. So then let's go past that, okay? So right now we're seeing all the changes going on. Well, as the days continue to get shorter, we're losing daylight hours, of course, every day, and the colder temperatures start arriving, the leaves then dry up completely. They lose all of their pigment. So they lose the reds and the yellows and the oranges and all those things. And you know what it looks like here. Of course, all those things fall off. The trees turn brown. They eventually fall off the tree. And what once was that gorgeous green tree that we had in the summertime now looks like that. And if you have any trees along your yard, or like in my case, I have a lot of trees in my yard. You got to take the blower and blow it all out. And the process reproduces every single year. And that is why leaves change color.